How much time does it take to clean your irrigation pipes? Half an hour? 1 hour? 5 hours or more? On an average, it would take me a day to dismantle and clean my irrigation pipes. But what if I tell you, you can save your time spent on cleaning irrigation pipes? This method not only saves your time, but also helps you save water and nourish your crop. So all this is possible with Xscalent. Let's find out how Xscalent does that.
Scaling an irrigation pipe is a common headache for many farmers, but not anymore. Xscalent is designed specifically to tackle scale formation in drip irrigation systems without the use of harmful acids. Xscalent is a safe and effective alternative to hazardous acids like phosphoric acid and hydrochloric acid. It's formulated with advanced chelating agents that dissolve scales right in the pipes, preventing emitters from getting clogged. And the best part, it's safe for your soil, drip systems, and most vitally, your crops. No need to dismantle pipes or use hazardous mineral acids that can harm your farm and the environment.
So how do you use it and what's the recommended dosage?
Using Xscalent is simple. After your regular irrigation cycle, just add the recommended amount into your drip system through the venturi before stopping the pump. Let it work for 72 hours to dissolve scales into beneficial chelated forms which are easily absorbed by your plant roots. Ideally, use 1 kilogram of Xscalent for 1 acre of land. As Xscalent is compatible with all agricultural inputs, you can use it whenever you want. It's a safe, effective choice for cleaner drip systems and healthier crops.
Grab your Xscalent at a special price only on BigHaat.